Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super handy tutorial, how to add your Visa card to Apple Wallet. If you've ever wanted to make payments quicker and more securely on your iPhone, this is the guide for you. Let's dive right in. First off, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Head to Settings, General, Software Update to check. Once that's sorted, open the Wallet app. It's the one with the wallet icon on your home screen. If you don't see it, swipe through your apps or search for it. Inside the Wallet app, look for the blue plus button in the top right corner. Give it a tap, and you'll be prompted to add a new item. From the options, select Debit or Credit Card. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll have two choices. Scan your card or enter the details manually. For scanning, just position your Visa card under your iPhone's camera as guided on screen. If you prefer manual entry, type in your card number, expiration date, and the security code from the back of your card. After entering the info, you might need to add more details like your billing address. Then, review and agree to the terms. Apple will handle the rest. Your bank could send a verification code via text or email, so keep your phone handy and enter that code when prompted. Once verified, your Visa card will appear in your wallet. You can even set it as your default payment method for Apple Pay. Pro tip: not all cards work with Apple Wallet, so double-check with your bank if you run into issues. It's always a good idea to ensure your card supports contactless payments. And there you have it. You're all set for effortless transactions. Whether you're paying at a store or online, Apple Wallet makes it a breeze. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.